You City-fringe buyers are going to absolutely love this one. Tucked away in a very quiet pocket of Railway Estate is this gorgeous contemporary home that's just oozing quality at every turn. Come and let me show you around this stunning property. What a great spot to sit and relax and entertain a few mates, have a fire pit, enjoy a few drinks before you head out to watch the Cowboys play on a Saturday night. So if 2025 continues to see Townsville's property market surge even more, properties like this get snapped up, so don't delay, come and see me this weekend.